Alright guys, we're back for another 2010 Ford Flex video. This is for the rear toe links. So I've spent the last day researching because a lot of things have changed. So this is my original 2010. As you can see, it's nice and circular. This bore right here is smaller. This is a 2013 toe link. As you can see, this is thinner and this bore is going to be bigger. If you go to the dealer and get your 2010 replacement toe link, it will look just like this. Now, there's a few caveats that come in play. This is my original my original subframe toe link bolt. It is a 15 millimeter bolt. It sits just like that. When you order them from Tasca, they're going to send you this part number, and the bolt's going to look just like this. This bolt is not going to fit. This is an 18 millimeter bolt, so that's not for our Ford Flex. This bolt is for a Ford Flex 2010 that was built after January 22nd, 2010. Build date before that is going to be this bolt. This bolt is going to be this part number, and it's going to look just like this. It's not going to look nearly the same. The threads are different. There's a motorcycle. The threads are going to be different, and the end's going to be different. But this is the superseded part to Ford. I hope that helps you guys out. I will show you now what it looks like when it's all done. And this is what it looks like when it's done. Sits back in there, nice and easy. New outer tie rod nut. That's also an 18 millimeter nut. And the bolt that holds that in there, it's way back in this subframe. So let me get my camera back in there ever so carefully. Sorry for this little journey. But as you can see, or not because of the strut. See my finger? Oh, it's actually behind the axle. I really do apologize. So right back in here, where my finger's at, that's where the bolt's gonna be. So if you're gonna need a long extension, I have a 10-inch extension that I used to get this bolt out. Outside of that, it's really relatively easy to get out and replace. I will have all the part numbers that I used, and I will have the torque spec for the outer tie rod nut here and the one that goes back in here. I will have those in the description, as well as the correct bolt that you need for an early build 2010 Ford Flex. Now you've also may have noticed that earlier I said that these bores were different. They're going to be different. Even if you get the 2010 replacement toe link, it will look just like this. The bore is going to be bigger. I asked the dealer about it, and they said that the bore size doesn't really matter, because when the bolt goes through there to the subframe, it pinches this toe link and stops it from moving. I am sure those machinists out there might fabricate a way to put a sleeve or something over this bolt to stop this play. But I didn't have that option. I just torqued it down. I didn't really feel any play. We shall see when I go for an alignment. I hope that helps you guys out with your 2010 rear toe link replacements.